it's good to meet you here over the camera.
Likewise, man. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This has been life-changing for me, man. I really appreciate you.
Oh, that's good, man. That's good. It makes me happy because you've had Anthony. You've had realtor experience, like real estate experience, for a long time before entering apartment locating, huh?
Oh, absolutely. I've actually been locating since coming across your course. I scrapped everything that I knew.
Good. Yeah.
I'm approaching like I've never leased an apartment or sold a house in my life.
Yeah. Oh, got you. So you got you DM'd me the other day. So you did, was that your first lease with as an apartment locator that was so big, or was that like the second one?
Yes, it was. Yeah, it's the biggest one, man. Actually, I'm just using all your systems and tools.
Yeah.
And I actually got a $4,600 commission. We got approved in 2 days. It was awesome. And the leasing agent was like, we are paying 200% for a 1-bedroom. So
it was a 1-bedroom too.
Yeah, it was 2,300. It was 2,313 for the
Wow. Yeah. So it was a Class A 1-bedroom, $2,300, and then they were paying 200% by chance on the special. And wow. So you do 2 of those, and that's a great month.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
And then this guy was really nice, and he referred a family member. So I've actually got 2 deals. So it's got another app today for $1,500. So.
Oh really? Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
Wow.
Yeah, so it was good.
it was your first client, but then he referred someone else, right?
Right.
That's super cool. That's cool how that worked.
Like I said, I've taken your approach. I'm not deviating for anything. I'm kind of old school, so I believe in escorting and all the stuff that you don't do. So this experience has taught me so much. I mean, I felt really well to the point where I'm going to just really not even focus on selling houses now.
Oh, wow.
Maybe new construction, if anything.
Yeah.
Because when you look at the cost, I mean, it took me 27 minutes to do that whole deal. And my coworkers, I'm like, hey, man, I made $4,600 in 27 minutes. I can live with those numbers.
Yep, exactly. Yeah, same thought process I had. That's awesome, man. So
thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Was the program helpful because you got it not even that long ago? I bet you're not even done.
Absolutely. I've taken my time and I'm going through your program.
Got it.
And like I said, I have a very open mind with it, and I'm gonna take it 3 times. I'm gonna keep going through.
Oh, awesome.
Things that I've missed, and as you're going through and giving us the nuances of the game, I'm like, oh God, he did say that. So I've been taking notes, going through the modules, sometimes 2 or 3 times. So yeah.
Wow. That's awesome, man. That makes me happy.
Oh man, yeah, you're awesome, brother. Your energy is awesome. You're really contributing at a high level, man. So, man, this stuff works, guys. So, he's not paying me to say this, but I invest in the program. It's worth it. I mean, I've made my money back. What I got 2 weeks ago. So. Yeah, I've already made my money back.
That's great, man. And I saw you do a lot of live streams and stuff just within your real estate business. I see you going live and stuff. Does the content helps with your real estate business?
Oh, absolutely.
Really? Cool.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Like I said, I'm an Android guy, but I went and got an iPhone yesterday just for the video because of the company. So what we're going to start doing is actually doing videos every day at apartment communities, and we're going to really pump the video aspect of our game. So
yeah. So when you get through, I know in the program I teach a lot with when you do your follow-up, even doing like a selfie video and attaching that to your responses goes a long way. It's like when these clients, it's like when they see you and you talk to them, now it's just like a whole nother level of the how personal it is, and that can really, just seeing a video can really help make your follow-ups less extensive. So that's and that because you're doing that already. So I'm sure you understand the power in doing the video. Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's so powerful. So like I said, I don't pretend like I know everything. I've learned so much from you, Pierre, and I appreciate you. So
you're welcome. You're
save,
very
I mean, you don't have to reinvent the wheel.
yeah, no, absolutely. Well, you got me here, man. And you got any other questions for me or anything I can clear up at all?
Okay. Sounds like a plan. Thank you, Pierre.
You're welcome. You're so welcome. It's great to meet you. I love meeting like my students, on the camera. So it's awesome.
Likewise, man.
Anthony's my middle name, by the way.
Yeah, man, that's a cool middle name.
It's a good name, sir.
Oh yeah.
That's
Thank you,
awesome.
man.
All right, man. I'll see you on the next one.
All right, man. Take care. All right.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.